Hello everyone, myself Farwahita, Assistant Professor of CEC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to discuss a few topics in the subject CS 8592 Object Oriented Analysis and Design. Let us discuss about the topic Creator Information Expert. The objective is to know about the concepts of creator and information expert. First, let us know what is a creator. A creator is a grasp pattern. Grasp is already we have learnt in the previous topic. So, which helps to decide which class should be responsible for creating a new instance of a class. Object creation is an important process and it is useful to have a principle in deciding who should create an instance of a class. So, there are 6 types of creational design patterns. They are factory method pattern, abstract factory pattern, singleton pattern, prototype pattern, build-up pattern, and object pool pattern. The design supports the low coupling, increased clarity, encapsulation, and reusability. First, let us assign the class B with the responsibility to create an instance of class A. If one of these is true, then B contains or compositely aggregates A and B records A. B closely uses A. B is an expert while using A. That is, B passes the initializing data for A that is passed to A when it is created. B is a creator of A objects. If more than one option applies, usually it prefers a class B with aggregates or contains the class A. Let us see an example in the next gen POS system, that is point of sale application. Who should be responsible for creating a sales line item instance? That is, by creator, we should look for the class that aggregates, contains, and so on. So, sales line item instance consider the partial domain model. So, this is a diagram which implements the creator. So, we have 3 classes here: sale line item, and product description with the attributes time, quantity, and description price, item ID. With these are the associations, and we have multiplicity values. Partial domain model. Here the sale takes the responsibility of creating the sales line item of instance since the sale contains many sale line item objects. We assign the responsibilities required for the make line item also to define the sale. So, this is a diagram which shows the partial domain model. Now, let us create a sales line item. The creator guides the assigning of responsibilities related to the creation of the object, a very common task. So, the basic intent of the creator pattern is to find a creator that needs to be connected to the created object in any event. Choosing it as a creator supports the low coupling. All the very common relationship between the classes in a class diagram are composite aggregate part, container contains the content, recorder records. Now let us know something about the information expert. Information expert, also called the expert or the expert principle, is a principle used to determine where to delegate the responsibilities such as methods, computed fields, and so on. This will lead to place the responsibility on the class with the most information required to fulfill it. During the object design, when the interactions between the objects are defined, we make choices about the assignment of responsibilities to software classes. This makes the software easier to maintain, understand, and extend. Assigning a responsibility to the information expert, the class that has the information necessary to fulfill the responsibility. Let us see an example. If the design work has been just started, then look into this domain model, the real world sale. In design model, the software class sale is added with the responsibility for getting the total with the method getTotal. After adding the getTotal, the partial interaction and the class diagram can be given as such in the diagram. To determine the expert, using the above sales line item should determine the subtotal, the sales line item quantity, product description price, etc. By information expert using the above sales line item should determine the subtotal. This is done by the sales setting get subtotal messages to each sale line item and sum the results. Thank you.